Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over a song named He'll Make It Alright by Kenny Lewis and One Voice. This song was written in the key of E flat. Okay, so this is a very high tempo song, so I'm going to play it at a slower speed and break down some of the chords and a few of the runs that you'll hear. So, let's listen to the intro really quick. Okay, let's pause it right there. So for the intro, you're going to be starting on this E flat. Then you're going to go to a B flat minor 7 to a B major. And I like to add the 2 there just for some color, but it's really just a B major. Okay, then the next chord is F sharp major 9 to an A flat minor 7. Then we're going to play an A altered chord. It's A7 sharp 9 sharp 5. And then go up a half step to a B flat 7 sharp 9 sharp 5. And then go back to the beginning. Then we're going to play an A flat over E flat to E flat. Then we do the classic walk up. So, after you've gone all right, the next section, I'm going to do a little So from what I can hear on the recording, it's like he's going from an F minor to an E flat minor while doing the classic walk up. And then he's going to go to this G7 13 to this A flat 13, G, F sharp 13, these are all 13s. Then we're going to go to a B9 13 sharp 11, just like playing a D flat major chord on top of B7, to a B flat 11 or 9 sus sharp 4, which is an A flat chord on top of B flat, and then all right, and then we do it again. Dun, 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 dun. If you've got a problem in your life, take it to Jesus. Dun, 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 dun. There might be more going on, but this is all I could figure out for this section real quick. Then we go. Now, actually, there's some bass runs that are basically playing off of the chord. And then all right. So, it's a basic run through of that. To the next section. instead of just going from G, he's going to play from F 13, F sharp 13. Okay, so for that section, he'll make it all. So they're doing a run in the left hand. The chords are basically just a G minor 7 to a C minor 7, F minor 7, B9 sus4 to E flat. And a quick turnaround. He'll make it all right. He'll make everything alright. He'll make it all. So there's a little bass line. Okay, so that's a basic run through of that. Let's go on to the next section. Same run. Okay, so let's go through that section there. Make everything alright. Make everything alright. So F minor 7, F sharp diminished 7, to E flat 7 over G, to A flat 7, to A diminished, to E flat 7 over B flat. Very strange little lick you here and there. A major, A flat to F sharp. Everything alright. Everything alright. Something like that. Everything alright. Everything alright. And then it goes, make everything alright. So you're playing off of this B flat. Very funky A flat 13 flat 9. We're going to slide up chromatically to A 13 flat 9. Make everything alright. And then you start to hear you're playing a B flat minor, A flat to F sharp. And then you're going to hear this cool reprisal of the chords from the beginning. So you're going to be here. So they're basically playing this B flat minor to B major to F sharp major to A flat. The same progression from the beginning, but they're playing. Let's listen to it real quick. Okay, so we're here. So that section there. So you F sharp diminished 7, F sharp diminished 7, E flat 7 over G, A flat 7, A diminished 7. Okay, let's keep going. Same thing. Okay. So that section you're hearing there. G minor 7, A flat minor, you're literally taking minor chords all the way up. So let's listen to it again. So you see they're playing this A flat to F sharp. Alright, thank you so much. That was a brief tutorial on He'll Make It Alright, and I'll be back with some more tutorials very soon. Alright guys, take care.